All right, you guys, today we are making red wine slow braised short ribs. It is fixing to be delicious. Ooh. First, we're going to season these bad boys up. That way they have some nice flavor. We're going to chop up our veggies into good bite-sized pieces. And then, whew, look at that color. We're going to throw these short ribs into some hot oil and we're going to sear them on all sides, you guys, all sides until they're nice and juicy. We're going to throw our veggies into the same pot with the same oil. Give it that flavor. We don't want to lose any flavor. Saute them. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell it. Next, this is for our gravy, you guys. This is going to be delicious. We're going to throw that mushroom pack in there. This is going to act as a thickening agent. So we're going to saute that in there. We have 1 cup of red wine. I use Dark Horse Red Blend. Next, we're going to have about 2 cups of beef broth. We're going to pour that in there. And I also did pour some water in there. Definitely need our herbs. And we're going to drop those short ribs down into that sauce. I did put some cornstarch in there. I used some of the juice from the mixture and some cornstarch, but that will be in the recipe. But this is the finished product, you guys. 3 hours on the stove, and it was delicious.